Good morning, I'm Katla Mkhanya from Central University of Technology doing Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I'm here this morning to present my design, which is based into two parts: automated sanitizing system and also temperature sensor. When one presses the pump with one's hand, this causes many people to be into contact with the pump handle, hence increasing the risk of viral transmission. So my design acts as solution to minimize the spread of coronavirus since it is contactless. Here is the poster that I'm using to demonstrate, and here is my proposal which assisted me to build my project. And here I have the components that I have used: LCD display with DC pump relay module, LED ultrasonic sensor and non-contact temperature. And here is my detailed block diagram. I have inputs and also outputs. 5 DC power, temperature sensor, ultrasonic sensor are my inputs. And here is Arduino Uno. And I have relay module, 9 DC supply, DC pump, LCD display and LED as my outputs. And here I have the flow chart, which assisted me in building the code of my design. And here I will start with the first part, which is temperature sensor. Is the temperature less than 38 degrees? If no, LCD on the first row will print enter. On the second row will print the temperature value, and hence green LED will remain on, whereas red LED will be off. That is normal temperature. And here, if temperature is greater than 38 degrees, the LCD on the first row will print stop, and on the second row will print the temperature value, and the green LED will automatically turn off, whereas the red LED will now be on, meaning that will be the temperature which is above normal, and the customer will not be allowed to enter. I have the schematic which assisted me in connecting the circuit, and here I have my PCB. Now I will come to demonstrate my design project. I will simply show you the components, which is ultrasonic sensor, and here is my two LEDs, the red and green LED. This is green and that is red. Here is the LCD display, and here I have my temperature sensor. Here my red LED acts as warning if the temperature is above normal, and green LED is for normal temperatures. And my ultrasonic sensor senses my hand when it is about 7 centimeters, which will let the sanitizer to come out. And my temperature sensor will sense the wrist of my hand. If the temperature is normal, I will be allowed to enter, and if it is not normal, it will print stop and I will not be allowed to enter the premises. So I will start demonstrating my project. I will start firstly with the temperature sensor. As you can see, green LED is on, meaning the room temperature is just normal. I will start by sensing my hand. My temperature in this case is 30 degrees, as you can see. And on the first row is enter, meaning I can enter, and green LED is on. Now I will come on the sanitizer part. If my hand is about 7 centimeters, the sanitizer must come out. As you can see, I'm sanitizing my hands without touching the handle. And now I will come to the second part of the warning if temperature is just above normal. I will do that by the means of laying to increase temperatures. If this condition works, automatically the green LED will turn off and red LED will be on to act as warning. As you can see, temperature is above normal. It is 46 52. So the red LED is now on. If now my flame is off, as you can see, now the green LED will be turned on, meaning the temperature is normal, as you see, which is 32 degrees. That's all about my project. Thank you.